Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture on the McKinsey 7S model, a framework developed by McKinsey & Company to help businesses align different internal elements for organizational success. In our session today, we'll go over what the model is, how to apply it, some practical case studies, and key takeaways. The McKinsey 7S model is structured around 7 critical elements divided into 2 categories: hard elements and soft elements. The hard elements, strategy, structure, and systems, are easier to identify and control. The soft elements, style, staff, skills, and shared values, are more intangible but equally important in driving success. Let's break down each element of the model, starting with the most foundational aspect: shared values. Shared values. This represents the core of the organization, essentially the purpose or mission. It answers the question, why do we exist? Shared values serve as the guiding principles for decision-making and employee behavior. For example, a company with a shared value of sustainability will consider eco-friendly practices in all its strategic and operational decisions. Strategy. This is the company's plan for achieving competitive advantage and long-term growth. Strategy involves decisions about which markets to compete in, product positioning, pricing, and customer engagement. A successful strategy aligns with the shared values and adapts to changes in the market environment. Structure. This describes how the company is organized, its departments, divisions, and hierarchies. The structure should align with the strategy. For example, a company pursuing global expansion may adopt a geographic divisional structure to better manage international markets. Systems are the day-to-day processes and workflows that allow the organization to function efficiently. These include IT systems, decision-making protocols, and quality control processes. Effective systems ensure that the structure and strategy work seamlessly together. Moving to the soft elements, style represents the management and leadership approach within the organization. For example, a hierarchical style may promote order, while a collaborative style may foster innovation. Style often impacts employee morale and influences the culture. Staff. This refers to the organization's workforce, their backgrounds, motivations, and potential. Having the right staff in the right roles is critical to execute the strategy effectively. Skills. Skills represent the capabilities and competencies of the organization and its employees. Skills should align with the company's strategy and vision. For instance, a tech firm focusing on AI must develop or hire strong technical expertise in data science and machine learning. Now that we understand each element, let's talk about how to apply the McKinsey 7S model. Here's a simple approach. Assess each element individually. Examine how well each area aligns with your company's goals. Identify misalignments. Highlight areas that don't support your overall strategy. For instance, if your strategy emphasizes innovation but your structure is rigid, you'll need to address this misalignment. Make adjustments, adjust policies, management styles, or structures to bring these elements in harmony. Review regularly. Organizations are dynamic, so revisiting the 7S model periodically ensures alignment with new goals and environments. Let's look at a few case examples to see the 7S model in action. First up, Apple Inc. Apple's strategy centers on innovation and high-quality design. Its structure, often known for centralized decision-making, supports this by giving strong oversight to product development. Their shared values of creativity and simplicity are echoed across their systems, such as their integrated supply chain, which also contributes to their success. Next, Starbucks. Starbucks emphasizes a collaborative, people-focused style and strong shared values around customer experience and sustainability. Their strategy is aligned with their systems, such as ethically sourced coffee supply chains, ensuring that every aspect of their operations resonates with their brand ethos. Q1. How do you prioritize which element to focus on? Typically start by assessing shared values and strategy, as these are central to defining direction and purpose. From there, you can explore other elements. Q2. Can the model apply to small businesses? Absolutely. For small businesses, the model can clarify growth priorities, especially in areas like systems and structure, which are crucial for scalability. Think of the McKinsey 7S model as a tree. The roots are the shared values holding everything together. The trunk represents strategy supporting the entire structure. The branches are the structure connecting different parts of the organization. The sap that flows through representing systems nourishes the organization's processes. The leaves representing staff skills and style are what the outside world sees and experiences. In conclusion, the McKinsey 7S model helps us create a well-balanced organization by aligning its hard and soft elements. This alignment ultimately leads to organizational effectiveness and resilience. By revisiting and adjusting each element regularly, you can ensure your organization stays aligned with its purpose and adapts to changing environments.